Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see one new concept. The concept is nothing but how to differentiate the animals and human using the ultrasonic sensor. So there is so many sensor available in market to detect the motion, but it won't differentiate the human and animal. But using this concept, we can easily achieve that. So I did some experiment. It went well. So just I want to share my experience with you guys. Please keep watching this video until end for more detail about this project and wiring and connections and coding. So for that, first I'm going to share my concept or idea for this project. So I took three ultrasonic sensor and placed in this basket with Arduino. Here I placed two ultrasonic sensor at the top and one at the bottom. The concept behind this is the human always taller than the animal, so animal can only detect in the below sensor, it not going to be detect in the top sensor. So so whenever human pass, they are going to be detect at the uh, all the three ultrasonic sensor, but due to the animal height, it going to be detect only in the below sensor. When it's cross, it sends a signal to the Arduino, and then Arduino trigger the water pump. And you can possible to adjust the sensor height based on the animal you are going to detect. Okay, then we will move to component and wiring section. For that, please open the simulation.iidbx.in. This is the simulation site. And then for that, I've just pulling the required components. So first I took the breadboard, and then controller. I need a Arduino, so I'm just pulling the Arduino, and then I need a ultrasonic sensor. So so this is output. So we can use the motor, uh, and then input we can take the ultrasonic sensor. Um, and then we need a driver also, motor driver. So just once we arrange that, this ultrasonic sensor, we will take the motor driver. So before that, we will took the battery from the source, and then we will take the driver. So we will place all the required component. So we will move to wiring session. First, we will start with battery to breadboard. So just I'm connecting battery, uh, positive negative to the breadboard, and then uh, driver. After that, I am going to move to ultrasonic sensor. For our better understanding, I'm changing the positive color of the wire to red. So wherever we are going to uh, wiring for the positive, just we are going to change the color of the uh, positive to red. So just I'm doing for all ultrasonic sensor. Once it done, then we will connect the Arduino, positive and negative. So mostly we done for ultrasonic sensor. So then we are currently done for Arduino. So just this is clumsy, wire is clumsy. Just we will auto arranging the wire. So now it's auto arranged. Now we are done with ground and positive. We will go with actual connection. Now we are pointing D3 to driver ENA, and then D4 to IN1, and D5 to IN2. And we will change the color of this wire, so otherwise it's going to be a little clumsy. So just I'm changing the color for the better understanding. So now all the colors are changed. So now D62 first trigger pin of ultrasonic, and D7 to echo pin, D8 to trigger pin of the second ultrasonic sensor. So it not connected, so shall we do it reciprocal? So trigger to D8 and then echo to D9. So done the same thing for the third. Before that I'm changing the color. Uh, Now only thing left is third ultrasonic sensor and motor. As yes, then we will go the trigger to D10. Third ultrasonic sensor echo to D11. So mostly our connection is done. So we will change the color, and then the positive of the driver and the motor connection is bending. So we will connect those also. Motor negative to terminal 4 and then motor positive to terminal 3. So that's same thing happened. We will do it in reciprocal. So that also done. And then shall we auto arrange it? So it will be look some pretty good. It's taking some time. Yeah, now it auto arranged. So most of the connection is done. Now we will going to coding part. So left top icon is the right. So just I'm clicking those icon for uh, copy paste the code. I done the copy paste. So this is our code, and the loop function is right. This is the main function is going to be take care for our entire functionality. So this is an important lines. So other than that, it is something definition and constant. So and I placed some a tag name for better understanding of the ultrasonic sensor placement. So ultra 1 and ultra 2 is going to be placed at the top, and then center is going to be placed at the bottom. So you just imagine the uh, basket placement. So okay, so this is the placement, and then so for the explanation, first if condition is right. So when one object is moving left to right means it first going to detect at ultra 1. So the first if condition is going to be true, and then the flag top motion detect is we are going to set as a true, and then it will be exit from ultra 2. Then that second if else if is there, right? So we are again we are setting the flag as false. So for the same for uh, there is a object motion from right to left. So there is a third condition, right? So third condition is going to be true for the right to left. First we are it's detecting in the ultra 2, and then we are going to set another flag for true, and then ultra 1, right? So when it is exit out from ultra 1, we are setting those flag as false. So sometimes there is a possible of incomplete action. So any of the object is try to move left to right, but it is incomplete. So it's only detect from ultra 1 or ultra 1 and a center ultrasonic sensor, and it revert back. Means that time the below if condition I greater than 50 is there, right? So that condition is execute and reset all the flags. So the main part of the code is explained. So now we will simulate and check. Before that, I'm adding one println in the uh, if condition. This is the condition is going to run the water pump. So just I'm do one println and click right left corner play button, so you can possible to see the console log. So that time it's you can see some range is below 16. Now I'm extended the range to 64, and then I'm explaining. So if it is the range is above 64 means so it is not going to be the detect range. So just I'm reduce the ranges to below 64 for the center ultrasonic sensor alone. So that's why you are seeing the printer and pump run. So the code is our code is working fine. So when it is only any object detected in the center ultrasonic sensor means then the pump is going to be work. So for that I'm just uh, move something like reducing the ultra one and center ultrasonic sensor. So for that time you cannot see the print alarm. So our condition is working fine. Um, so what the way we are expected it's working. So so mostly I say the simulation is success. Um, s- Now let's see the real experiment once again. Yeah, just like before, I attached my model into this basket and I uh, paused inside to the home as a human. It won't trigger anything. But if it is the animal means it going to activate the water pump. So this is the way it's working. So you can use this model anywhere and you can increase the range of the ultrasonic sensor. Now it is the 50 is the maximum range detection range. So you can modify it for detecting your child also. So basically you can adjust the sensor height and you can possible to detect your child presence of inside and outside of the home or anything, so you can possible to modify whatever you want. And in description I already attached the coding and connection details. On the quick glance, if you can possible to import the JSON which mentioned in the description for the simulation. uh, if you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.